Oh yeah. Man, it's hot out. What are you talking about, baby? It's beautiful out here. Well, that's what we're supposed to do. We're about to melt. Well, on a hot day when I'm really, really hot, but it's so beautiful, I sing a song that makes me feel better. Do you want to hear it? Anything. Okay, goes like this. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine coming your way. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Oh, Mr. Bluebird on my shoulder. Everything is satisfactory. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Wonderful feeling, wonderful day. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. My, oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine coming your way. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. Good. It's such a beautiful... Oh, I don't care. Well, I do. Wow, he's so cute. Hey, where are you going? I'm running away from you. Okay. David? David? What? Well, David, you hit me in the face, and then I hit you back, but I guess that wasn't nice. I want to hear these live! You are not nice! That's fine. Nobody likes him. David, let's read that stuff by lightning. I did it. You're not a very nice person. Wait, I know something that can stop our problems. Well, what is it? The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom's dollar. That's not how it goes, David. It goes like this. The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom's dollar that tomorrow there'll be sun. When I think of the day, it's gray and lonely. And my chin and grin and sin. The sun will come out tomorrow. Bet your bottom's dollar that tomorrow. No. The sun will come out tomorrow. So you gotta hang on till tomorrow. You didn't go the fun way.